Setting up wireless Android Auto in your Toyota requires meeting specific vehicle and phone requirements, followed by a straightforward initial setup process. Your Toyota vehicle must have Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 or higher, an 8-inch or larger infotainment display, built-in Wi-Fi capability, and a USB port for the initial connection. Your Android phone needs Android 11 or higher, updated Google Play services, the Android Auto app installed, and both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must be enabled. First, prepare your vehicle by turning on the ignition and activating the infotainment system. Connect your phone to the vehicle using a high-quality USB cable for the initial pairing process. On your phone, enable developer options by going to Settings, then About Phone, and tapping Build Number 7 times. Then enable Wireless Android Auto in the Developer Options menu. Grant the necessary permissions, including location, microphone, and phone access, when prompted by the Android Auto app. Finally, complete the pairing process by following the on-screen prompts that appear on both your phone and the vehicle's display. Once completed, your phone will be ready for wireless Android Auto connection. After completing the initial USB pairing, you need to enable wireless mode in the Android Auto app. Open the Android Auto app on your phone and look for the three-line menu icon. Navigate to Connection Settings and toggle the Wireless Android Auto option to enable wireless mode. Once you see the confirmation that wireless pairing is successful, you can disconnect the USB cable. If you encounter connection problems, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. First, clear the Android Auto app cache and data from your phone's settings. For Bluetooth connection issues, you may need to forget the device and repair it. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, find your Toyota vehicle, and select Forget Device. For performance issues like slow response or lag, check your phone's battery optimization settings. Make sure Android Auto is set to unrestricted battery usage to prevent the system from limiting its performance. Audio problems can often be resolved by checking your vehicle's audio source settings and verifying Bluetooth audio codec compatibility. Different codecs provide varying levels of audio quality and compatibility. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most common wireless Android Auto issues in your Toyota vehicle. Remember to keep your Android Auto app updated and maintain a strong Wi-Fi connection for the best experience.